think this is it. I think this is it. They're finally here. Hey, it's gonna be it. It's gonna be it right here. It's gonna be it. I got faith, man. I got faith. Hey, it's coming, boy. Dude, here we go, man. This is it. Is it gonna be Redway? Oh, this has gotta be it. Yeah, hit that. Come on, good luck, Bells. Good luck, Bells. Come on, man. This is gonna be it right here. Man, they gotta bust that open. All right, I'm gonna pause this until they lift up the door so y'all can see them. All right. What you got in there, man?
Something that you don't want, but I want.
Uh oh. What's in there?
Small pallet over there.
You're probably right. That ain't what we was looking for, man. I mean, I'm glad to have some Wolfram amps, but dang, I was looking for something else. Man, we got catfish again. 2 times in one day. Lord have mercy. Okay. I think this is the one. Can it be? Can it be? Can it be? Oh, we're gonna hit that copyright too, boy. Oh, we're gonna get it done. No, it's all right. This is it for sure. Hey. Yeah, buddy. We're good to go this time. We got catfish twice, but not this time. All right, let's get these things busted open. Appreciate that. Hey, them JP23s, boy. Uh-oh. Oh, yeah. Time to go to work, boys. Time to go to work, boys and girls. Let's get them paletas. Hey, there they go, boy. We got the preloaded enclosures going out here. Got all the JP23s. I'm stacking from here. Oh, yeah. Tell him, man, that boy can't get right. Get it right, Barbosa. Barbosa, he glistening too. He's glistening too. What about, let me get that glisten check. Just look at that glistening. What about my boy right here? Are you glistening or what? I got it. All right. We're getting close to the end. Getting close. You can see the back wall. Rolling. The boys are rolling. That game face.
The down for sound difference.
Boy, tell you what.
Say loud.
That pallet. Another pallet. Jay, where's the pallet at, man? We're running off on them boys. Hey. Pretty. All right, what's happening, guys? We are now finally having in the JP23 amplifier after a long time coming for this. So we'll go over the beauty box first. I don't think there's one out there that is as beautiful as ours. So it shows you exactly what the amplifier looks like on this end. We got the Down for Sound logo on there. It shows you the bass knob, and it shows you this end as well. Designed in the USA, in the heart of Florida and Nevada. All right, let's bust this thing open and see if you love it just as much as I do. So when you open it up, this is what you're gonna see. Oh, watch out now. Enjoy the JP23. But play bass responsibly. We are not responsible for tickets or hearing loss or damage. Please read the manual. Please read the manual. All right, the official unboxing here. I might should have bought one of Steve Mead's high quality steak knives to have done this with. Oh, did I cut through it? Almost. All right, open it up. You got the amplifier here. We got the bass knob on this side. So we'll go ahead and get this out. All right, dear. I think I got a splinter or something. All right, so there's the JP23 manual. Bass control wire or cable, whatever you want to call it. Close this back up. Slide that right yonder. All right, let's slide this out of here. What a beautiful amplifier. Oh my gosh. I mean, I might be a little biased, but you can probably see the quality as well. Wow. So awesome. Even better than the prototype. Etching, satin finish, 0 gauge inputs. Over here we have the Down for Sound logo. And down here on the business end, we got the power, clip, protect. We got the Tiffany style RCAs, JP23 V1. Gain, subsonic bass boost, remote, low pass filter, master output, and input slave. Yes, you can strap these amplifiers. They are strappable. All right, let me show you the, it comes with your Allen keys right here. And then on the JP23 manual that we have here, let's flip through it real briefly. Shows you all the ratings here. Strappable, stable into 1 ohm. And you can also get a half ohm warranty option on the website if you would like to do that. Oh yeah, love it, very nice. All right, so next thing people want to see is the bass knob for a 2000 watt amp. I don't think any other 2000 watt amp on the market has a bass knob of this quality. Check it out. We have voltage, temperature, power, protect, clip. I mean, what else could you want in a bass knob? So awesome. With your little tool right here. What other amps did you get? Comes with a little tuning tool in there. So you can do your little adjustments. Oh yeah. All right. So we went over everything. Oh, did I mention that these are only $299 shipped inside the continental US? Yes, they are. So everybody wants to see a gut shot. So we're gonna go ahead and flip this over and show you what it looks like on the inside. All right, guys, I'm gonna pop the back off of here because everybody's been wanting a gut shot of these amplifiers. But first, look at that high performance fan right there. Gotta have a way of keeping these things cool, right? Because these things were designed here in the heart of Las Vegas, and it doesn't really get much hotter than that. So I was gonna be undoing all these screws, but I figured I'd spare you on that. And the drill was going dead as well. So let's flip this up. Also, little tuning tool that comes with the amplifiers. Ain't nobody else doing that for you. All right. All right, that's all you get. Just kidding. All right. So here you have the gut shot of the JP23. See if I can flip this over here. Not scratch up the amplifier. Leave it plugged in so the fan plugs in right here. And here is your flyover of the JP23. Everybody's been wanting to know, how are these things making so much power? Doing way overrated power. Be sure to check out the dyno videos. And don't forget, do not eat. Oh yeah. We didn't skip any expenses here. So if you want to grab these, don't forget they're only $299 shipped inside the continental US, and we have a half-ohm warranty option for you. The baddest bass knob in the business. You're gonna love this. Tell your friends about it. They need to grab one too. All right, go down to the comment section. Let me know what you think about it. Also, you can go to the description of this video and pick your very own JP23 amplifier. All right, we're getting all them things out, boy. We're rolling out late tonight. What it looking like, Jason? Man, we got it lined up right here. Got a bunch of signature requests. We already had one pickup done. So, look at them bad boys right there, man. It's so exciting. So exciting. I can't wait to get these things out to you guys. All right, appreciate you. We'll be rolling these out to you as fast as possible. What a beautiful amplifier. Tell me it ain't a beautiful amplifier. Look at those bad boys. You can say 25% off of yours right now through the end of December. $100 off. Normal price is gonna be $399. We're gonna put this at $299 for the rest of December, so y'all can take advantage of it through your Christmas holidays. That'll be my Christmas present to you guys. All right, have a great night. Appreciate your support at downforsoundshop.com. Later.
All right, this is going to be a current draw test with the AMP Dyno. We're going to show sustained current draw here. So we're holding about 211 amps. And that's to do 2,681 watts on the dyno. Here we go, half ohm test. Certified 3,904 watts at half ohm.